Yep. This white stuff is called snow. Unbelievable. But you know, that's not going to stop us getting stuff done today. Just a little snow, right? Hey guys, welcome back to Ken's Corner. What I want to do in this video is kind of go over some of the projects we have already completed, some of the projects we'll get ready to start, and some of the new projects I just added. If you have seen some of my other videos, you probably know what those projects are, but if you haven't, I'm going to go ahead and kind of outline what we have already done, what's yet to be completed, and what was actually added. Kind of list the projects I have already completed, ones I said in my previous videos, but listed all my projects. Like everything else, projects change, new projects get added. So far I haven't deleted any projects, but so far I have been added to the projects. One of the first things that worked on was the brake suspension. So I replaced the upper and lower ball joints, and I have a link to that video. The other project was the clean up the engine bay, get all the oil messed up. So what we did, cleaned up the engine bay, repainted all underneath the car. So I have a link to that video as well. Okay, some of the projects I added, just threw it in there, was replacement of the brake pads. I have a video for that under the well. You can link the video up there. So I did all that, cleaned up the calipers and all that. So that's kind of a new one I just threw in there at the last minute. So where does that lead us right now? We have couple new projects I did add. One of the ones we did add, I'm going to paint the front bumper, so that's a new one. The other one I'm going to go ahead and do is redo these headers on the motor. So these are stainless steel headers, and I'm going to take off all the tarnish. Some of the bluing that you see, that's typical in stainless steel headers. But what you don't see, sometimes oil gets on these headers, and once oil hit these, that's hot, it kind of tarnishes them, and you can't really get them off easy. So I'll have a video show how we clean these headers up, make them look pretty much brand new. So anyway, expect to see that video to come out. Okay, some of the other projects I have yet to get completed to show you was the rewiring of the trailer. Need to get that knocked out. That's going to be a quick little one. The other one cool video that we'll bring is the tire pressure monitoring system I have set up for the trailer. So I'm going to show you that, but I have to wait till weather gets a lot better for that. So I still got to get that done. The other big one is, the other one is we got new wheels for the car as well. So I'm not too sure if that's a project. That's more or less going to show you what it looks like and all that good stuff. That was in one of my unboxing videos, so if you want to click on that link, you'll see what the wheels look like and all that stuff, okay? The other last big one is the motor itself, okay? What we're planning on doing is taking these heads off. These are actually 243 heads, so what we're going to do, take these off and replace them with from Texas Speed, their PSC heads, okay? And they're a lot bigger head, flows a lot better than these heads. So this should pick up this motor quite a bit. So really look forward to get that video started and stuff. That's probably going to be one of my last videos I'm going to but work on, because it's going to take some time to get it all good up and set up. And I'd rather have all these other projects knocked out before I start this guy up and stuff. So anyway, expect that to be out later on first part of next year. So anyway, so I think that's about all the projects I have listed. There could be some be added, but right now I'm thinking I'm pretty much maxed out of how much I can get done for this wintertime, wintertime projects that we have here. So anyway, so with that, hopefully you get some good content of the videos that I've been posting and stuff. But I thought it'd be a good idea to just go ahead and post another video of all the projects that we have already started, what yet to come, and all that stuff. So with that, if you have any comments of the existing projects or upcoming projects that you'd like to see and stuff, please leave some comments down in the comments section. But with that, if you do like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, let's see what's going on out here. Oh my gosh. What is this? Holy shnikes.